Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to book a flight in the AerLingus application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you have done that and you are in the home page, the first step you need to take is press on the book a flight option at the bottom of your screen. After you have done that, you can see here that you can either have a round trip or a one-way trip. You select one of these, and after that you have to select your starting location, where are you coming from, and the selected destination. Now the starting location is going to be the default, which is Budapest and Hungary in this case, and the selected destination is going to be, I don't know, maybe New York, United States. After selecting that, you have to select the date, in which date you want to go, for example June 3rd, and after that press continue. And after that you have to select the amount of passengers that are going to go with you. You can see here the adults, young adults, children and infants option. If anybody is coming with you, you just have to press the plus symbol in the categories, and if you want to remove anybody, you have to press the minus symbol. After you are done with selecting the passengers, you just have to press done at the bottom of your screen, and you can also select the economy or the business option here. It depends which one you want, and once again press done. After all of this is selected, you just have to press search flights at the bottom of your screen, and if you are lucky enough, you will see basically a flight to that destination. In this case you can see it appeared, and this is your flight, basically all the flight information. So this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.